Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Good Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Dollar index is trading at the lowest level since early September. और कल US stock markets closed marginally in the red और आज Asian equities में mixed bag है. Especially the Chinese and Chinese linked stocks are down, but other indices are doing fine. So ये situation में there are no major triggers for the Indian rupee and it may continue to open and trade in a very narrow band. 83-33 के आसपास 33-35 के आसपास open हो सकता है. That's where the trade is showing in the offshore spot reference. उसके बाद हो सकता है एक हल्का सा ड्रिफ्ट रहे ऊपर की तरफ, क्योंकि अभी जो डिपोजिशन हो रहा है और जो आरबीआई अलाउ कर रहा है कि आरबीआई इज नॉट कमिंग एंड डिफाइनिंग अ हार्ड कैप जैसे ये पहले करता था कि 83, 28, 29 के आसपास आते ही आरबीआई वुड कम एंड सेल. दैट वाज अ फेनोमेना टिल आई वुड से mid of this month. It started from way back in June, July or continued till almost first, second week of November. But abhi RBI kya kar raha hai? It is allowing it to drift gradually upward. The pace they are controlling, but एक drift maintain किया हुआ है upward की तरफ. So they are trying to formally adjust the USD INR. Indian rupee कुछ हद तक overvalued है on a real basis, real effective exchange rate, मतलब inflation adjust करने के बाद. तो हो सकता है RBI is taking this opportunity to make it gradually depreciate. So you can say the rupee has unofficially become a crawling, creeping peg. Not really a peg because ऐसा कोई policy है नहीं, but the way it is behaving for the past so many months, it's as if looks like पहले एक hard peg था hard cap था around 83.30. Now it's a very crawling move which they are allowing. So how to trade? क्योंकि drift upward है, it's a buy on dips. Where will be your stop loss? 83.10 के नीचे on a closing basis. अगर 83.10 के नीचे ये close हो रहा है अभी, then you exit your longs and be on the sidelines, right? Not short, be on the sidelines. Then we will reassess the situation and then decide the next course of action. But as of now क्या है कि every dip is a buying opportunity. That is one. ऊपर की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ पे है? आइडली अराउंड 83.5. नाउ 83.5 कहाँ से आ रहा है? दिस वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट अबव द रीसेंट स्पाइक हाइज, ऑल टाइम हाइज 83.47 समथिंग. सो 83.50 साइकोलॉजिकल. ऑल्सो अगर ऑप्शन ओपन इंटरेस्ट आप देखोगे एनएससी पे तो फिर 83.5 कॉल में भी काफी सारे ओपन इंटरेस्ट है. So 83.5 is now the resistance. 83 support levels are numerous. 83.25 से लेकर 83.10 तक there are number of support levels. So it's basically a buy on dips. 83.5 के ऊपर अगर move किया, then the next resistance ही यहाँ पर resistance actually important नहीं है because it all depends on how RBI allows it to adjust. If RBI continues to maintain such a strong grip over the market where they won't let the market dictate the pace of the move, then resistance is not important. It is the move of like less than 10 paisa a day or 6-7 paisa a day kind of a move. क्योंकि 83.5 के बाद next resistance is ideally 84, but we will be seeing the option positioning में कैसे OI shift हो रहा है उसके हिसाब से we will see the next resistance level. But 83.5 के ऊपर the next becomes 84, but that depends on how fast it comes, depends on how much RBI allows it to adjust. Globally, dollar index, as I said, is weak. So there is a divergence which is happening between the USD INR and dollar index, and ये पहले भी हो चुका है. Especially it happens during this November December period, and suddenly it converges. We have seen in years when this divergence has happened between, let's say, November and early part of December, जब USD INR has gone up and dollar index has fallen. Then during the last 2 weeks there has been a brutal adjustment. मतलब USD INR suddenly converged with the dollar index, assuming the dollar index stays down. So that's something we will be keeping an eye on. कि शायद second week of December से if the dollar index continues to be downward, then we can see we may see, this is a phenomena we'll observe because right now it's at a all-time high and it's not in the recent past USD INR has not really made an all-time high in the December month in the recent past. So that will be a new phenomena which will unfold. So this is something which we talked about also in our Telegram channel. Something we'll keep an eye on कि ये convergence होता है कि नहीं. Whether dollar index के साथ convergence होता है या dollar index starts to rise by end of December, that's something which we have to see. But we'll definitely something we'll be keeping an eye on. Short straddle, short strangle किया जा सकता है, but always maintain a stop क्योंकि drift upward है and all time high पे के आसपास ये trade कर रहा है. Now, in cross currencies, GBP/INR continues to be strong and something which we have been bullish on over the past couple of weeks क्योंकि जो short positions है GBP में वो काफी ज्यादा है. So because of the extensive short positions in GBP, short covering can be the order of the day क्योंकि हाल ही में जो UK का economic data है that has started to improve. And the Bank of England governors, members, the governor and the members and the economists, they have continued to be quite hawkish. So इसके लिए GBP/INR can get this move extended further. So GBP/INR is a buy on dips. But again, you should not operate without a stop loss. You need to have a proper stop loss. Euro/INR too can benefit. So it's a buy on dips. But GBP/INR will be our mainstay as a bet. Because Eurozone में economic data has been quite poor of late. Yen/INR will be something which will be watching how the move transpires क्योंकि dollar yen, if we look at, has once again started to fall. So Yen/INR can also continue to move higher because of the lower US bond yield. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.